Okay, I want to show you our little trick for cleaning your front wheels. Makes it a little easier. So, first of all, put your bike on the rear stand. Okay, you got it up on the rear stand. The next thing you need is this little flat little jack. You can get off of Amazon for like $50. Here's the front wheel, see? Okay, you put it up under here. Line it up. And it's a little hand crank. And watch this. Just keep turning it. You want it to turn until it just barely comes off the ground. You'll know. A little difficult doing it with one hand because I ain't that strong. Look at that right there. Look at that. See how it turns? Now I could just spin it and clean my front wheel. Look at that. Little tip. It's barely off the ground. I can't even get my finger under it. Look at that. Huh? Best shit. Wheel cleaning tip for today. Ride safe.